In this video, I'll be showing you how to earn 1000 naira daily completing simple tasks with just your smartphone. Okay guys, it's your boy Christian Omeje of Optic Digital Hub, and just like I said, in this video I'll be showing you how to earn 1000 naira completing simple tasks using just your smartphone. So the kind of tasks that you are completing are majorly done on social media, and once you complete these tasks you earn a certain amount calculated in naira. So but before we go fully into this video and see how we can start doing this, if you are yet to subscribe to the channel, now will be the right time for you to do so. Just click on the subscribe button, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notification so you get notified when I drop amazing videos just like this. So that being said, let's go and see how we can start earning 1000 naira daily completing simple tasks. Okay guys, so on your browser just type sidegig.co and visit the website. Okay guys, so this is the website, and if you check out here, they say earn more income completing simple gigs. So if you check out this website, it's a very simple website that you just complete tasks and you earn money while you complete these tasks. So if you check out here, this person has earned about 2 million naira just completing simple tasks on this website, about 789 tasks. And these are very simple tasks such as liking posts on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and the rest. So if I scroll down here, you see how it works. Join the community, select active tasks, and get paid anywhere and anytime you are. So if you look at it here, you first of all sign up, then you begin to complete gigs. And if you check out here, every new gig is released on this website every 10 seconds, which means that you have tasks to complete and earn money while you do so. And if you check out here, you can see the amount of money that has been earned on this website, the kind of jobs that have been completed, and the amount of freelancers that are working on this website currently. And some of the platforms with available gigs that you can complete tasks on are Facebook, AudioMac, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, and the rest. And if you check out here, these are testimonials of people who have joined this website and have earned from this website. So here I frequently ask questions if you need to know more about this website. So to get started with this website, what you just need to do is just come to this point which says start earning and click on it. So you'll be required to create a new account with all your details right here. If you check out your username, first name, last name, email, password, confirmation of your password, and also have referral. That is if someone referred you, but this is optional. And also this place which says register as, because you are trying to work on this website, you should be registering as a freelancer and not a promoter. As you can see, it's user/freelancer, brand/promoter. You are a freelancer, so choose freelancer. So I'm going to fill in these details and register my account right now. Okay, so as you can see right here, I've filled in my required details and I've also added my password, and I've selected that I want to register as a freelancer. So what I'm going to just do is click on register. So as you can see, my account has been created successfully. So as you can see, this is how your dashboard looks like, and you can begin to do your necessary setup and begin to complete your tasks. So the first things you need to do is you have to do this before you start earning. So as you can see, click here. Firstly, you will need to activate your account, then you need to link your social media account to this, your dashboard, because you'll be completing these tasks on various social media platforms. So the first thing you need to do is click on activate your account, click on start here, and they'll require you to activate it with your valid phone number. And one thing you should note is that when putting this your phone number, ensure it doesn't have the plus sign. You understand? Just put it without the plus sign. So I'm going to add my own phone number right here, and I'm going to receive my OTP code on my number. So I've been able to add my number, and I'm going to request for the OTP code to be sent to me. So I just received the OTP code on my phone, and I'm going to add it up right here. So it's 167364. So I'm going to now click on verify to verify my account. So as you can see, I've verified my account. The next thing I need to do is to link my social media account to this website. So all I just need to do, click on add new, and as you can see, add social account. Then this is the requirement for your social media pages. First, you need to have a profile picture on your account. You need to have a minimum of 5 posts, and also any page you submit must be owned by you or must represent a living being, which means you cannot use a dormant page to do this side task. So as you can see, how to get verified on this website, you need to paste your verification code on the comment on this point that it says here. So this point that it says here, just tap on it and open it up, probably on a new tab, and paste this your activation code there. Then fill in these details and click on save. So the details are selecting the platform you want to connect. If it's Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, Facebook, or YouTube, anyone. Now paste your username here and also paste your URL. Your URL is like the link of your social media page. It can be, for example, facebook.com/Christian Omeje, something like that. So once you are done, just click on save. You understand? So, but as for me, I'm not doing this right now. For you, just fill in these details and click on save. And once you click on save, as you can see, a username is required, but I didn't do that because it's going to make this video kind of longer. But for you, ensure you do that and submit that details, and it's going to take a few times. They are going to manually activate your account. So that being said, once you are done activating your account, the next thing you need to do, just go back to the dashboard. So as you can see, this is the dashboard. So if you begin to make money, this is where it's going to reflect your wallet balance. It's going to show you the number of completed jobs and the total active jobs. So currently we have about 116 jobs, and I can begin to do these jobs. And as you can see, they say right here that all amounts are stated in Naira currency, which means they can pay you directly to your Nigerian bank account. So now you must link your social media account to submit gigs. So remember, you need to link that, then do that and begin to do your gigs. So as you can see currently, these are like the trending tasks on sidegig.co. And if you check out to follow someone on Instagram, follow someone on TikTok, and many more, and this is the amount you'll be earning, 3 Naira per each action you take, as you can see. Then let me go over to this point which says go to profile. Click on go to profile so you set up your bank account details on this website, so that when it's time for you to receive payment, you can receive your money. So just scroll down, fill in every necessary details right here, and come down to this point which says bank accounts. Then click on add bank account. Then you just fill in all the necessary details, your bank name, account number, account name, and all. Then you now click on add bank accounts. So once that is done, you now click on save changes, and you have added your bank account. So when you are eligible to receive payment, you will be directly paid into your Nigerian bank account. So that being said, in order to complete task on this website, just go to this point which says task. So if you check out right now, these are like the all available tasks on this website. We have about 108 available tasks, and you must have already linked your own social media accounts. As you can see right here, I didn't link mine, that was why. So but right now, you can like a post on Instagram and earn 2 Naira. And these are like the number of people that need to complete these tasks, about 1,000 people. And currently we just have about 436 people who have done that, which means that you too can jump in and complete these tasks and earn 2 Naira. And if you check out, there are many more posts right here. We have follow someone on TikTok, 6 Naira, like a post on it on Facebook, 3 Naira, and many more. As you can see now, if you notice, TikTok has much more money to earn right here, and Facebook, while Instagram is kind of much more lower. But anyways, you can just jump in, complete a lot of tasks, and earn money. You understand? So let me say I want to complete this one now, which says like a post on IG. I'll just click on it, this point that says view. Then if you check out here, they say Instagram post like 2 Naira is what I'm going to earn right here. So if you check out the description of this task, you will see that they say click the link below and like the post. So if I was logged in, I'm not logged in right now, so I cannot complete this task. So you should be logged in. Then you just click on this link and you'll be redirected to Instagram to like an Instagram post. Then you will come back to this website and click on this point which says proof of task. As you can check out right here, then you now select your username, complete this security enter the reCAPTCHA code right here. This one which says 14 plus 7, which will be 21. Then you just click on finish task. That being said, you have completed this task. Then you go back to the task area and complete much more tasks. As you can see, there are a lot of tasks right here. The more tasks you complete, the more money you make. So as you can see, this is just how it works. Then they also, on this point, they have how you can also refer and earn monthly by referring your friends and family to join the side gig community. Get your invite link. So if you copy this point, you copy your invite link and you can invite any of your friends to join sidegig.co, and you'll be paid monthly for your referral. You understand? So this is how sidegig.co works. Complete tasks and earn. Okay guys, so that was it on how you can earn 1000 naira daily completing simple tasks with just your smartphone, and I believe you enjoyed that session. If you did and you are yet to subscribe to the channel, now will be the right time for you to do so. Just click on the subscribe button, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notifications so you get notified when I drop amazing videos just like this. So that being said, I will see you on the next session. Take care and have fun.